Thank you for your interest in registering your child for Spanish Immersion for 2020-2021. This is a video to show you how to register your kindergarten or first grade student in Spanish Immersion on Thursday, March 5 at 9 p.m. If you are interested in registering for preschool Spanish Immersion, you're going to need to click on the preschool link under schools here, and then you're going to click on preschool and then follow the intention form links to register. Preschool online registration is scheduled to occur on Tuesday, March 3rd at 9 p.m. Please notice that this is 2 days before kindergarten and first grade registration. Please submit separate forms if you are registering more than one of your children for kindergarten and first grade Spanish Immersion. For example, if you're completing an intention form for one kindergarten and one first grade, submit those intention forms separately. Just so you know, we use the timestamp of the first child for your children. Each year we do receive feedback regarding the intention form process, and concerns have been expressed over the advantages that form fillers offer parents who may have a deeper knowledge of technology tools. Due to this concern, we will be changing the order of the questions, the format of the questions, the wording of the questions, to at least manage the use of form fillers. Today's video is going to demonstrate how the process will look when the intention form goes active on March 5, but please know that the form itself will be different. When you register your child for kindergarten or first grade Spanish Immersion, please follow these steps. Your first step is to go to pelachristian.net on your browser of choice. Next, you're going to click on the Spanish Immersion link, which is under About. So About, and you're going to click on Spanish Immersion. You will then find the link called Spanish Immersion Intention Form. If you click on this link, there is no link here, but if you click on this link, you'll notice that there is no link until Thursday, March 5 at 9 p.m. At that time, a link will appear to learn more about how you can watch that instructional video. So here's the tricky part. You cannot be sitting here watching this until 9 o'clock. You have to refresh this page. There's 2 ways to refresh the page. On your browser of choice, there's a button that looks like this. You're going to hit the refresh or reload this page. That will reload it, or you can just click on this link here and then hit the enter or return key. That's what I'm going to do now, and you'll notice once I do that the intention form is now live. So link to the Spanish Immersion Kindergarten First Grade Intention Form. I'm going to click on this. That's going to bring up a Google form, which is a short form asking for very basic information. You're going to type in your child's first name, and then I'm going to hit the submit button. You will notice once I hit the submit button, you get a confirmation that you have submitted your form successfully. You also are able to submit another response to this survey if you would like. Also, the moment you hit the submit button, a timestamp is placed on your submission. I'm going to show you that timestamp right now. So you can see that I've registered Hayden here. Right here is the timestamp for that, and this is the timestamp that we use to determine placement for our kindergarten and first grade Spanish immersion openings. We promise that we're going to do everything we can to continue to improve our Spanish immersion registration process each year, and we are interested in your feedback. Please send an email to gomezre@palachristian.net. That's GOMEZRE@palachristian.net. If you would like to share input on how we can improve the registration process for Spanish immersion. I'd like to thank you for partnering with PCGS to challenge your child to develop his or her individual God-given gifts for a life of service in God's kingdom.